All right, let's talk about batteries. We all have them, we all rely on them, and we all want them to last longer. But there's a silent killer that's probably shortening the lifespan of your battery right now. And I bet it's not what you think it is. We obsess over how we use our batteries, right? We worry about charging cycles, how far we drain them, all that stuff. But if that's your main focus, you're looking in the wrong direction. You're completely missing the biggest threat. Yep, that's it. Just heat. Not how much you use it. Heat is what's silently destroying your battery, day in and day out. It causes real, permanent damage, even when your battery is just sitting there, doing absolutely nothing at all. So let's pull back the curtain a little bit. Why is heat this silent killer? Let's get into how it works under the radar and how it's quietly wrecking that very expensive investment of yours. Okay, so think of your battery like this little self-contained world of chemical reactions. At room temperature, everything's pretty chill, moving at a nice, slow pace. But when you add heat, man, you're basically slamming your foot on the gas pedal for all those reactions, especially the bad ones, the ones that cause your battery to get old and weak. So, speeding things up sounds bad, but how exactly does that translate into permanent damage? Well, it all boils down to a pretty basic rule in chemistry. And here it is. This is the big one. There's a rule of thumb that for every 10 degrees Celsius jump in temperature, the speed of all those nasty, degrading chemical reactions can actually double. I'm going to say that again. It doubles. That's a massive acceleration in aging. And here's what that looks like in the real world. And this might blow your mind. A battery that's just sitting around doing nothing in a hot shed could actually be aging faster than a battery you're using every single day, but in a nice, cool basement. That's how powerful ambient temperature really is. Believe it or not, there is a technical name for this. It's called calendar aging. It's the damage that happens just because time is passing. And the number one thing that puts calendar aging into overdrive, you guessed it, it's heat. But wait, it actually gets worse. See, heat doesn't just chip away at your battery's life. It can kick off this dangerous runaway cycle inside the battery itself. A real feedback loop from hell. So deep inside your lithium battery, there's this super important, super thin protective layer called the SEI layer. Think of it like the battery's skin. Heat physically breaks that skin down, and once it's damaged, that's it. The battery has permanently lost some of its ability to hold a charge. You can never get that capacity back. And this is how that vicious cycle works. It starts with heat from the outside. That heat damages components, which makes the battery's internal resistance go up. Now, because the resistance is higher, the battery starts generating even more heat of its own whenever you use it. That extra internal heat makes the chemical breakdown happen even faster, which, you guessed it, increases resistance even more. And around it goes. The battery is literally cooking itself from the inside out. And for anyone who loves the science, there's an actual formula that describes this whole destructive process. But don't worry about the math. All you really need to know is that as the R, the resistance, goes up, the heat generated inside the battery goes up like crazy. It's the engine that drives that whole dangerous cycle. So here's the key takeaway. The most serious damage to your battery might be happening when you're not even thinking about it. And this really forces us to look at battery aging in two totally different ways. So on one side, you've got cycle aging. That's the wear and tear you get from actually using the battery. Charging it up, draining it down, that's what we all focus on. But on the other side, you've got calendar aging. This is caused by the environment and it's driven by heat. It is happening 24/7 whether you use the battery or not. And in hot climates, this silent killer is almost always the real reason batteries fail early. Now, in the absolute worst case scenario, all this internal heat can lead to something truly catastrophic called thermal runaway. This is when one cell gets so hot that it triggers the cell next to it, which triggers the next one. It's a terrifying chain reaction. The result can be fire, venting toxic gas, a total system failure. And once it starts, it is incredibly difficult to stop. Okay, so that was all pretty serious. But here's the good news. Now that we know the problem, the solutions are actually pretty simple. It all comes down to being smart about where and how you install your batteries. So here's your game plan. First off, give your batteries some personal space. Don't cram them together. They need airflow to stay cool. And start monitoring their temperature, not just their voltage. And please, whatever you do, do not lock them up in a sealed box where heat gets trapped. Keep them out of the sun. And make sure they're not snuggled up right next to other gear that gets hot, like your inverter. It is all about ventilation. So if you remember one thing from all this, let it be this. Your battery probably won't fail because you worked it too hard. It's going to fail because it was put in a bad environment. It's going to fail because it was slowly, quietly cooked day after day for months or years. And that brings me to my final question for you. Go take a look at your own setup right now. Where's your battery? Is it in a nice, cool, airy space? Or is it sitting in a silent heat trap, getting a little bit older, a little bit weaker every single day?